How to open up a Cash App account 2025. Now, if you want to go ahead and open up a Cash App account, it's really simple. And if you want to do it seamlessly and easily, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to start off with Cash App right now. So once you've accessed the link, it should bring you to a sign in portal like this. So let's say over here, I already have an account, obviously, but if you want to go ahead and access a brand new account for yourself, what you can do is sign out of your current account. And once you sign out of your current account, it's going to bring you to your Cash App section over here. We're going to click on add an account to this device. And this is where you can open your very own account. So from here, you can either use your email or your phone number. So I'm going to use my email for now. And once we add our email over here, we're going to click on next. And now that we've clicked on next, what's going to happen from here is it says, please enter the code sent to this email. So my code is 758655. So we're going to add that right here. Click on next. And once you click on next, it should usually process it pretty quickly. And once it's properly processed, from here, your account is pretty much created. That is how easy it is to open up a Cash App account for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below. And again, if you want to use Cash App for yourself personally, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to start yourself off right away. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.